Introducing the Honor Magic 7 Pro, the smartphone that's set to become everyone's favorite. In this video, I'll discuss key features like display, build and design, performance, camera setup, battery and charging, pros and cons, pricing and competition, and more about the Honor Magic 7 Pro. So, let's get started. Honor, Huawei's premium brand, has made a big splash with the Magic 7 Pro. Launched on October 30th, 2024, and available from November 8th, this phone is already creating waves. Let's dive into a detailed review of its features. First up, the display. The Honor Magic 7 Pro boasts a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, and HDR Vivid support. Peak brightness of 5000 nits ensures clear and vibrant content even under direct sunlight. Next, the build and design. It has a premium design featuring glass on both the front and back. With water and dust resistance certified at IP68/IP69, it's built to last. Weighing in at 223 grams, it's slightly heavy but extremely sturdy and durable. Now onto performance. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite 3nm chipset with an octa-core processor and Adreno 830 GPU. This means next-level experience in gaming and multitasking. It runs on Android 15 and Magic OS 9 with a promise of 5 years of major OS upgrades, making it a truly future-proof flagship. Let's talk camera setup. The main camera features a 50MP primary lens with OIS and dual-pixel PDF. There's also a 200MP periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom for those ultra-clear details, and a 50MP ultra-wide lens perfect for capturing wider shots. For selfies, you've got a 50MP front camera paired with a TOF 3D sensor to ensure pro-level selfies. And for video, it supports up to 4K at 60 fps on both front and rear cameras. Battery and charging are next. The global version comes with a 5270 mAh battery to keep you going all day. And for when you need a quick boost, it has blazing fast 100W wired charging that charges 100% in just 33 minutes. Plus, it supports wireless charging and reverse charging as well. Here's my personal touch. The Honor Magic 7 Pro feels perfect in every aspect. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: a stunning display, LTPO OLED with 5000 nits brightness. Powerful performance, Snapdragon 8 Elite processor for seamless multitasking. Exceptional camera, pro-level photography and videography. Fast charging, 100W wired and 80W wireless charging options. Cons: weight, slightly heavy at 223 grams. No expandable storage, lacks a microSD card slot. Now let's talk about the price. The Honor Magic 7 Pro is priced at around €1,300. It competes with other flagships in this range like the iPhone 15 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. While every brand has its unique selling points, the Honor Magic 7 Pro stands out as a truly futuristic option. If you're looking for an all-rounder flagship device that excels in photography, gaming and design, the Honor Magic 7 Pro might just be the perfect choice. Which feature impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Did you enjoy this video? Don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.